Shane here from Modern Warrior Project, and welcome back to our 50 Bug Out Consideration series. In today's episode, we're going to cover down on vehicles, but I want to make sure and tell you, hang around to the end, where I'm going to come back on and I'm going to talk to you about a specific type of setup that I utilize in particular for bugging out and with a vehicle that you might want to think about putting into your plan. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and roll the footage.
Ever wondered just how prepared your vehicle is for a bug out scenario? Today we look at the crucial aspects of vehicle readiness when it comes to survival situations. First off, fuel. A vehicle without fuel is nothing more than an oversized paperweight. Keep the tank at least half full at all times and consider keeping additional fuel cans stored safely. Remember, in a bug out situation, gas stations may be inaccessible or out of service. Secondly, maintenance readiness. A well-maintained vehicle is a reliable vehicle. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks can make the difference between getting to safety or being stranded. Also, consider learning basic vehicle repair skills. In a pinch, knowing how to change a tire or jumpstart a battery can be invaluable. Next, let's consider what you keep in your vehicle. A bug-out bag is essential. This should include items like food, water, medical supplies, and other survival essentials, but don't stop there. Tools, spare parts, and even a spare tire can be lifesavers in certain situations. Your vehicle's capabilities also matter. Four-wheel drive high ground clearance and good fuel economy can make a significant difference in a bug-out scenario. A vehicle that can handle off-road conditions and has enough space for passengers and supplies is ideal. Lastly, consider your vehicle's inconspicuousness. In a bug-out situation, blending in can be just as important as getting away. A vehicle that doesn't draw attention can help you avoid unwanted encounters. So to summarize, a vehicle's readiness for a bug-out scenario hinges on several key points. Fuel availability, maintenance readiness, proper equipment, vehicle capabilities, and inconspicuousness are all crucial. Remember, in a survival situation, your vehicle isn't just a means of transportation, it's a lifeline. Ensuring it's ready for whatever may come is one of the best ways to prepare for the unexpected. With this knowledge, the road to survival becomes less daunting, so gear up, fuel up, and drive on, knowing you're ready for whatever the world throws your way.
Okay, so that's it for this particular episode on bugging out considerations with vehicles. But as I promised, I was going to share with you a little different take on I have on it. First off, before I forget, let me go ahead and remind you, if you'd like to go deeper into the subject, I cover it deeper in our podcast. The links are in the description of this video. But back to my particular thing. The way I approach this is I have, first off, an emergency kit in my car. It goes there all the time, and it's beyond just bugging out. It's if we break down on a road trip or anything else like that. And I cover those details in the podcast as well. So that's one of the things I would encourage you is to keep an emergency kit in your vehicle at all times. Beyond that, for my bugging out, I have our bug out bags, and that is thought of as being on foot. If I have a vehicle, that's a whole different luxury. As a matter of fact, I also have an RV, so that's an even better step, but it depends all of this on the scenario. Solar flare takes out our electronics. That's not going to work for me, so I still need that bug out bag. So the way I do my bug out in general, my bug out plan, is I have kits according to means of travel. I have a specific vehicle loadout set up just for that event. That way we're still going to grab our bug out bags, but we have a vehicle loadout that affords us more stuff to go and possibly set us up for success, all depending on the scenario, but we're going to have more along with us for that ride. So I'd encourage you to look at it that way and kind of consider it from the different means that you're going to be traveling to your bug out location. Obviously, you're going to be hindered by how much you can carry, and you should pack accordingly, right? I don't want to leave anything during a time of scarcity, so I want to take as much as I can, and all that depends on how I'm getting there. Hopefully that makes sense. Like I said, hop onto the podcast. We go a little more in depth into specifics on those, and please comment, share any of your thoughts as well in this video. Excuse me. Make sure and give us a like and subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you on the next episode.